Hello everyone, once again welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we will learn that how to create a visit your own profile as a visitor system. What will visitors see? As you can see that if you see your profile page, then you have this edit profile and settings button. Okay, now and also you have the things like the logout button. You don't want other users to see your profile like this, so you have to remove this edit profile and settings button and also the logout button if you want to visit your profile as a visitor. So we have to create a system where you can click on a button and visit your profile as a visitor, like a visitor sees your profile when they come to your profile. So let's create a UI first. Here we will add a row again. Here we have a row, and all the rows I think all have some padding, all have 12 padding. Here we will visitor, view as a visitor. And we have to give some padding to our row. Here you can see, and we will add a text that view profile as a visitor. And then we will add a normal icon button. Here, this is the icon button. So if you want to shift this view profile as a visitor UI to this side, then you can also do this by wrapping it within a widget, but I will leave it like this. If you click on this view as a visitor, then you will navigate it to the other user's profile. Like if you click on this on tab, you will be navigated to the view profile page of others, and you can see that view profile page of others has all the things like follow and unfollow button, send friend request button, and if you are visiting your profile yourself, then you don't want these buttons to be shown up, because you should not follow or able to send friend request to yourself. So we will remove this if you are visiting your profile on your own. So go to the profile page first, and here on tab this, we will pass the parameter of the authenticated user first. If you haven't seen the video that how to create a user document, user profile page of others, then you can simply go to our YouTube channel and check out the last few videos. Here we will set the authenticated user reference. We will also add a snack bar. That you are visiting your profile as a visitor. That's it. We'll give it some cool UI. Now you don't want yourself to be shown this unfollow and follow button or send friend request button or friends button, because you cannot be your friend yourself. To remove this, you have to make this container conditional. Each time you do this, then make this conditional, make this container conditional. So here create a condition that from this user document reference, you can see that in this page we have a query. We are getting a page parameter, user reference, document reference, and users. You can watch all the videos in from our YouTube channel. We have already created all of this in our YouTube videos and posted this. You can create a query of a user reference from the passing parameter. Now come here and make the container conditional. First value should be user document. If the user document reference and document ID not equal to the authenticated users reference and or the user document ID, that's it. Then this buttons will not be shown, and let's see that if something else should be shown or not. Also, we will not show these options because you cannot in this post menu you will have the things like block the post user, or like not interested in this post. If you are visiting your profile yourself, then you should not see this. So make it conditional as well. The condition is same as the previous. If the authenticated reference not equal to the user document reference. That's it. The other values should be same. Yes. So now we are done, and we will test this. Let's see. Yes, we have our action set properly. Now we'll test this. But before, also I want you to know that we publish this live project on our website. If you want to access this, then you can see that you can access this with this URL. And if you want to access our official social media application, that is AnimeType, you can simply search AnimeType on your Chrome browser and you can get the link from here. This app is live on Google Play Store. For now, we will test our mobile application in the test mode. Let's see if our visit profile system is working correctly or not. Here we will go to the profile page, and as you can see that we got a new option or feature, that is view profile as a visitor. If you click on this, then we are getting navigated to our own profile. Okay, that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video.